change what is possible, that is you. This is our mantra. This is mantra of life. This is mantra of individual. If you really want a life enjoyable, if you really want a life successful, if you really want a life free of hassles, follow just this one line. Change what is possible, that is you. Perfect Square, training and business consultancy company, the only one aim, changing people. Changing people. Now, I want to ask you, can we change you? Can somebody change somebody? Yes, it is a difficult task. It is almost impossible task. We don't change people. Believe me, we don't change people. What we do is we initiate thinking in you. We initiate thinking in people. Now, we believe the person will change only if he believes that he needs to be changed, right? If I want, or you want, or somebody else want to change somebody, we cannot change him. We cannot change him, and we will not be able to change him, right? He will only change when he realizes that he requires to be changed. He requires to be changed. Then people will change. Now what we do is we try to initiate that thinking. We try to initiate that little fire in you that yes, you need to change. And people will change only for betterment. Nobody will change for the worst, right? So unless or until we give you something better, you will not accept it, right? Not only you, anybody will not accept it. Either let them be your children, let them be your colleagues, let them be your boss, let them be anybody. If you do not give them something better, they will not accept it. If they will not accept it, they will not change. So if you want people to change, if you want people to change, your children to change, your boss to change, your colleagues to change, your subordinates to change, you will have to give them something better, right? So in this 3 hours, we will try to give you a lot of things. Something which you would be doing better than us, please carry on. Don't stop that, right? Something you might feel, yes, this is something which I can do little better. Please accept it. And there must be something which you may feel, it is not relevant to me. So never mind. You can, just leave that thing. No worries.